Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Coalhurst, Alberta. A small town is located in southern Alberta, just a few minutes west of Lethbridge. The land around Coalhurst is mostly flat prairie, used for farming and ranching, with a view of the Rocky Mountains to the west on clear days. Coalhurst was first settled in the early 20th century. The name Coalhurst comes from the area's early history with coal mining. Coal mining played a big role in the town's early years, but the mines closed by the mid-20th century. After that, the town remained as a small community with strong ties to farming and the nearby city of Lethbridge. Today, Coalhurst is a quiet place with homes, schools, and local services. Many people who live here work or study in Lethbridge but enjoy the slower pace and small town life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Coalhurst, Alberta. Thanks for watching.